ankurnya tuh yang mau presentasi ini apa budaya Indonesia, salah satunya batik ya dipakai. Oleh-oleh dari Cirebon bukan itu batik ya? Oleh-oleh dari Cirebon bukan? Bukan ya? Oke. Oke, tepuk dong. Boleh. Gimana? Dapat berapa banyak pengalamannya? Coklatnya atau apanya nih? Yang ini upin-ipinnya kita ya? Iya. Upin-ipinnya kita di Indonesia.
Yang paling berkesan pas pergi ke Malaka.
Oh, Malaka. Karena apa tuh?
Karena banyak historinya.
Oke.
About
Udah langsung di mix.
Santo Paul Church.
Oke.
Terus ada juga bangunan merah. Itu namanya apa ya? Aku lupa. Kalau nggak ya kayak ada bangunan merah. Terus kita juga sempat join public lands together.
Oke.
Terus kita juga ke Bukit Bintang. Terus mau ketemu sama siapa sebelumnya? Jongsu. Serius. Kita tadi mau lihat Juli Johnson, cuman jalan-jalan cuman
Ketemu nggak?
karena di waktu kita ke AUM touring di situ itu seru banget walaupun banyak jalan. Bisa lihat bangunannya. Ada bangunan-bangunan arsitek itu juga kita baru pertama kali lihat.
Ke game center nggak? Apa yang namanya di IUM? Game Smart ke sana juga?
Iya, kita main bowling.
Oke.
Bowling. Terus kita juga
Ya banyak pengalaman dan juga member. Oke, mau siap-siap. Thank you Twins, tepuk tangan buat Twins. Terima kasih. Sebentar. Dulu, dadakan banget. Oke, yang ready in 5 minutes ya. Jamnya apa nih? Biasanya pakai sama kalau DJ kreatif. Oke, boleh nyanyi juga. Mincang.
Ada lagu ayah ya, mana? Lagu belakang ada?
Ada.
YouTube ada?
Ada.
Kita lomba.
Boleh.
Lagu ayah UM nyanyi.
Maju pro. Siap-siap ya, nanti saya juga sama ya nyanyi.
Bicaranya udah siap.
Ya.
Jangan kecewa nanti setelah ini terakhir kita tutupnya dengan nyanyi-nyanyi.
Oh.
Everyone,
share screen. Share screen.
Just start this normal intelligence. Before artificial intelligence, at least you must have knowledge about intelligence. How will you define? Everyone can define, I think. Are you intelligent or not? Intelligent?
Yes.
So please, anyone, any volunteer, can you define intelligence? Any definition? Any definition? What is intelligence? Analyzing and answering questions. Okay.
This one I think.
Another definition?
Make decision. Yes. Make decision.
Making decisions. That is intelligence.
I'll help you.
Any other thing about produce stuff? Okay. That is intelligence. Knowledge and skill. That is intelligence. Using your brain. Okay. So just give me So just give me one answer. We are looking at this. We are looking at this AC. AC is there, air conditioner. So air conditioner is also converting input into output, isn't it? Electricity is going and we are getting this cold here. So as you told that intelligent entities produce some kind of output. So AC is also producing the output, isn't it? AC is also doing some kind of intelligent mechanism, isn't it? Cooling this room down, we can set some kind of temperature. Even in smart ACs, we can on it, off it by using the remote. For example, I drive to my home. By
We'll take
using
it
the
later.
IoT device, I can basically put some kind of timer within the AC. So is AC also intelligent? So what is the difference between AC and human then?
Human, they can think on their own.
Human can think
On their own.
emotions? Can machines have emotions?
Machine has to have human input into it.
No, have you seen many apps just show your face, they tell you are happy, angry, sad. There are many applications, mobile apps. So it means machine can detect emotions.
They can try to analyze.
Why not analyze? Because machine can also analyze your emotions. For example, if you are writing something on Twitter, if you are writing something on Facebook, on Instagram, and if you are writing something politically incorrect, Twitter will remove it. Twitter understands that this is the hate speech. It should not be on the social platform. If you are uploading any video on the YouTube and if the contents are not suitable, YouTube will delete it. Is it happen? Will it happen? So it means AI can recognize the emotions.
They can.
That is only after training the model.
Yeah, so humans also need training because if you know Indonesian, Malaysian, whatever language you know, you only know after the training. Can you know it before training? Can you know Hindi? No. Can you know any other language, Indian language?
Okay. But human is the one that makes the machine. The machine cannot make itself.
Berarti satu nggak cukup. Kamu kan satu ya? Berarti satu nggak cukup.
Yes, because
Oh, ada dua.
someone made us also, na?
Tapi baru ya.
Someone created us, we created machines. In coming days, machines can do also wonders. So I just want to wrap out. So there are intelligence is a very broad area. Before understanding artificial intelligence, you have to understand that intelligence is a very broad area of science. And as you look at the human beings, we just look at the brain only. That all the memories, all the information, all the processing is happening just by using the brain. But if I ask you one question, tell me what were you doing same day last year? Can you tell me? No. It means your brain memory is limited. Your brain can store only limited data. Isn't it? But tell me another question. I will ask another question. Our eyes, whenever basically human comes to this planet, our liver functions in some particular way. Our heart works in some particular way. So do we teach heart how to work? So how it learns?
How it learns?
How our eyes, whenever we open eyes, is automatically capture image, process it, our brain processes it to understand. So how is it happening automatically?
Training.
So it means there is some information and memory encoded within our genes. There is memory at the cellular level also. There is some memory in my lungs, in the cells. There is some memory in some cells are there in my heart. They have certain memory. So memory is not the function of brain only. Generally we basically misclassify. We always think that memory lies only in the brain. Each and every cell of our body carries some memory, carries some intelligence. Because if our cells are not intelligent, our heart will not function in certain way. If our kidney cells are not intelligent, our kidney will not function in that certain way. So it means the intelligence is the integral part of our existence. Are you getting the point? Intelligence is so broad that it's the integral part of our existence. So the deep mind, have you heard about deep mind, the sister concern of Google? Do you know about it? Deep mind, DEEPMIND. Deep mind is the sister concern of Google. So how did they define intelligence? They gave one definition, that intelligence is the capability of an agent to perform in diverse environment. So how will you define intelligence? Intelligence is the capability of an agent to perform in diverse environment. For example, you are the human agent. Software is the software agent. If you put intelligence in robot is the robotic agent. So there are three types of agent. So human agent, we are the human agent, software agent, any program, and robotic agent, hardware plus software. So how will you say that one software is more intelligent than other software? If any software AI program can perform well in multiple environments, then we can say that that particular program is intelligent as compared to another. For example, as a human agent, if I am the good professor, but if I am the good professor, I am earning good. But if I am not taking care of my health, my body will deteriorate. So it means overall I am not intelligent. I am only intelligent in one domain, but not in other. But there is another professor who is good in teaching, earning well, and also good in maintaining the health. So his intelligence is better than my intelligence. So how did I define? Because he can perform well in two environments. One environment is health, another environment is profession. So similarly, we have n number of environments. Your relation is one environment, your education is one environment, career is one environment, your social connect is one environment. So human agents are working in n number of environments. If any human perform well in all the environment, it means overall that human is even more intelligent than others. So what is the purpose of intelligence? To create a wisdom. By using that wisdom, we can perform well in multiple environments. Similarly, in AI programs, if we design any AI program, so we design it in such a way so that that robot or software agent can perform well in diverse environments. So nowadays, AI is behaving like that. So we have created, AI has created different games, AI-based games, who can defeat the professional players. So they also behave like that. They can work in diverse environments and they can defeat humans. So AI is moving very, very fast. So I was just giving you a very simple example about the human intelligence versus AI, artificial intelligence. And what is artificial intelligence? And whenever we try to imitate the natural intelligence, then we call it the artificial intelligence. So not only the intelligence of human beings, because birds are also intelligent, fishes are also intelligent. Humans cannot imitate the intelligence of fishes. We cannot survive in water. We cannot fly like birds. So they have certain intelligence, some genetic. They are doing some They are acquiring basically some organisms are doing the swarm intelligence. They are using. Ants are using some intelligence. Birds are using. They fly in certain pattern. So in AI, basically, what is our purpose? The researchers are decoding the nature. They are decoding the human brain. They are decoding the behavior of ants. They are decoding the behavior of birds. They are decoding the behavior of fishes. And they are driving some mathematical algorithm after decoding the behavior, and then we are writing the program. And those programs makes machine intelligent. So that's why AI is very, very important. And AI can be the danger, can be the boon for us. It depends upon how we use it, because AI will be beyond human beings. Because it's human intelligence plus every intelligence that exists. Are you getting the point? So there are multiple genetic algorithms. There are multiple. We call this area nature-inspired algorithms. If you will Google it, you will find it nature-inspired algorithms. So there are multiple nature-inspired algorithms. So that's how. This is the basic motivation to run behind AI. And now AI is not in the fairy tales. AI is in the mainstream. AI will be everywhere. So you also must be into the mainstream, then only you will survive. So now Mr. Aman will take care of the remaining session, and he will tell you how he will not tell about the mathematical models, but he will tell you how can you use the Python libraries to design intelligent programs, some basic programs. Thank you. Now Aman will carry.
Good morning, everyone. Can you hear me? I don't think so I need this.
Jadi banyak hadiah di sini. Ya, jadi semuanya mesti semangat. Ya, hadiahnya bagus-bagus di situ. Oke? Ya, nanti kalau ada pertanyaan apa terus interaktif terus. Nanti setelah ini semua selesai, nanti pada dapat hadiah, question and answer, being interactive. Oke? Who is the happiest? Who is the most enthusiastic? Okay, sitting in front means the most enthusiastic. Ayo. Malaysia boleh. Ya. Ini yang Indonesia kalah karena duduk di belakang. Okay. Tapi yang Malaysia duduk depan. Oke. Okay. Ya. Nah nanti coba menangin lagi. Oke. Okay. Interaktif. tanya jawab, oke? Ya. Oke, dengan tepuk tangan yang semangat, mari kita sambut Mr. Aman.
So guys, I'll try to make this session a bit more interesting to show you some visualization how things are working in the AI world. And plus, this is the flow which I'm going to follow right now. So starting with the workshop, I'll show you 3 different classical ML solution to 3 projects. Okay, first one is the house price prediction. I think you have heard about it. Movie recommendation system. And third one is the email spam classification. How a Gmail classify the incoming inbox into spam or not spam. Okay. So these 3 simple projects with classical ML approach. Second, I'll move towards the AI discipline. So AI is not only about machine learning. Many things are included in this. Computer vision, NLP, remote sensing. So many things are there. So I'll explain that. After that, I'll show you I could say a visual representation how transformers work. So what are transformers? You use ChatGPT, I think so. So ChatGPT is built on top of transformers. Okay, so how a transformer works, I'll show that in this visual representation, not a coding or anything. Okay, then few live products. So I have built many products for US firms. So I'll show 1 or 2 products. One will be related to computer vision, another would be related to signal processing. So what we speak is basically the signals. Okay, so is that clear? Means what we are going to follow right now? Yes. So I'll start with the first one. So as I told you, I am going to start with first one is the house price prediction. So basically what happened, given the area of the land plus the number of rooms and many few features and attributes, we try to predict the price of the property. Okay, so this is being done by a ML algorithm. So the algorithm is linear regression. Have you heard about it? Yes. So this one, the first project deals with that. Second is the Netflix recommendation engine. So do you watch Netflix? Yes. So when you like or rate any movie, you will get a recommendation of that kind. Suppose I'm a very fond of sci-fi movies. So I'll get a recommendation of that only. If I have watched Interstellar, so I'll get something related to that, like Telnet or something. So this one. So this particular engine works on the concept of collaborative filtering. So it means that my cluster similarity is being related to some other human beings. So the machine try to give suggestion based on that. So this is the second one. Third one will try to see how Gmail try to filter out spam emails and non-spam. So this is also based on the embedding based approach. So see, machine never understand English, Indonesian, Malaysian, anything language. For machine, numbers are everything. So embeddings are nothing. Embeddings are the numbers for them to understand the relationship between words. So this is the third one which we are going to do. So I'll start with the first one. So you can see here, suppose for example, say I have a few data points. Okay. Now linear regression is nothing but y is equal to mx plus c. I'll not go depth inside the mathematics, but I'll explain the basic concept. Okay. So the equation of line is y is equal to mx plus c, which is basically we need to find the slope of the given line and the intercept. So this is what. Suppose for the first iteration, when we train a ML algorithm, we get a line somewhere this side. So the slope of the line is something, say m1. So we need to find this particular m in an optimized way. So this is called training of an algorithm. What is basically ML model training? Training is nothing. Training is to find the optimal slope in linear regression. So this is what happens when we do a training with a huge amount of data sets. So right now I've showed you very few. There are millions of data sets on which we train the model. So this one, I'll show you visual. See, the line goes and interception is formed, and then this training happens like this. Now suppose, what are the attributes in the data set? We have different attributes like we have the size of the house, how many bedrooms are there, location, which location it belongs to, what is the age of the house, 20 years back, 30 years back, when it was built. So based on that only, our predicted value is generated. So we need to train a model which will tell that what is this. Suppose this is A1, we need to find W1 into, suppose this is A1, the first attribute, plus W2 into A2 plus W3 A3 A4. So see, these weights are nothing but the learning parameter which is achieved after the training. Make sense? Yes. Get increased. If I increase the house size, prices get increased. Is the picture clear? I've tried to show you the visual representation. Does that make sense?
So you can run the same program at your machine also.
Yes.
So he will share the link.
So I'll share the.
So that all of you will get the confidence of running the same program. So have you seen that lines are coming and going? In the previous graph, lines are coming and going. So that's the process of learning. How do we learn? Data comes and our brain neurons adjust.
You send to Alphabet and I send to them.
No, I think they can copy it from the screen itself. It's not a big one.
Okay.
GitHub might handle that.
Everyone will type this. You will get the code. Live project.
I want you to.
Aman, you can send me also on the
This one. Can you see?
I don't see.
Okay, so I'll send you the.
Send me that.
I've sent in the alphabet channel.
Alphabet, okay.
Which one? All three notebooks are.
Okay, I sent to UIA already.
Keep this link with you. Have you received? This github.com Aman Jaiswal 777. Have you received it on WhatsApp? Yes. So keep this link with you. There are 3 projects. Just click on the link. Is it working? Yes, yes. You are on the right way. Working for everyone?
Can you see the notebooks?
Can you see the free program?
Open the first notebook and click on Google Colab link. It will directly redirect you to the Colab environment to run the script.
Aman, click there and guide them.
I think internet is a bit slow.
Because everybody. Siapa yang udah bisa? Angkat tangan. Siapa yang udah bisa? Bisa. Oke.
So when you click on that Google Colab, you will get directly to this particular Colab environment. So you need to connect your Gmail. Have you used Google Colab previously? No, she said. So you need to click on the Google Colab link present on that particular GitHub, and it will redirect you to this particular page. So click on this link.
Yes, yes.
Click on the first one. Click on the first one. Yes. And then you will get a collab icon there. Click on that and redirect it to the Google Colab. Just go. Not this one. Click on this. See. The page will open like this. You need to click on this particular link and it will redirect you to the Colab.
You can click on that link. Open in Colab.
See, open in Colab, it will redirect you to the Google Colab.
To the main page. Yes, click there. Click there. Yes. Colab. Yes.
Is that open?
I think open here for this machine. Net, I think for the net it's not open, but
Is it open? You can see on the Google Colab.
you can help
No,
her.
this notebook.
You can help her. Help each other.
So should I proceed? Should I proceed? Are you able to open the Google Colab and see this code?
How many of them see? Raise your hands.
So sorry for the internet connectivity, but we'll proceed. So what we are going to do right now, guys, right now we don't have a data set. So we'll create a synthetic data for our algorithm to be get trained and do the prediction. Okay, so we'll follow these steps. First one is the synthetic data generation, data exploration, basically EDA part. We need to know what does data show us in terms of mathematics. Like what is the mean value, what is the standard deviation, where does it deviate from the mean position, like that. Then we'll do the feature engineering, means in data set all values are not present, few are null values there, so you need to replace that with some mean values and everything. Then model training, prediction, and a small assignment for you just to run it, but you have the solution next to that cell. So we'll do that. So I'll run each cell. First one is the libraries. So these all are Python programming. So we need to import many libraries which will help us to do the coding and visualize things, because AI is all about mathematics, and for mathematics we require that libraries which are good at that, like sklearn is there, pandas is there, panda is very good for data frames, numpy is there, numpy is good for maths operations. So we need to import all those libraries. So the first cell indicates the imports. Now the second one is the synthetic data generation. So
Are you able to run the cell, execute the cell? Do you know how to do that? Just tell them how to execute.
okay, so if you open this particular page, connect your Colab with from here. Click on this, a Colab will get connected. This one. So this is nothing. This is a machine which you are getting free of cost from Google. Are you able to connect?
Can you share Zoom?
Okay. This one. So see, this machine has the RAM capacity and a memory also. So this is nothing. This is a Linux machine.
The servers are free for students provided by Google. So you can use the Google's CPU. Central Processing Unit. Are you aware about the CPU, Central Processing Unit? CPU, in your laptop you have the CPU, Central Processing Unit. Similarly, you have the CPU, Tensor Processing Unit.
So click on this particular. There will be one connect button there. Click on that. It will directly connect you to the RAM and the disk.
Now just go to last time. Just press. So it will run.
How many are you able to connect? You need help? You connected?
This is
They also need to do the same.
This is now.
Yes.
This is now. Similarly, you can say clockwise now.
Yang udah bisa pesan tertitip tentunya.
So where is the route? Tell me.
Tell me who has not connected yet.
It's very nice that she can do on mobile also. If you are doing on mobile, yes, it's working on mobile also.
So who needs help? Tell me.
Are you able to connect? Everyone connected?
Nanti sebelah nanti ya. Bucek.
So run the first cell. After connection, run this cell.
Let's see
This
how
cell.
to run. See there.
You know how to run? There is a command called Shift Enter.
Just
Some rotation will be there on the left panel side.
I think
And you can run it from here also.
just see, you can run it from here. Just click.
Yeah. Click on this, it will run. See.
Iya, run anyway aja. Run anyway. Nah benar itu cuma run anyway aja.
So let us understand each cell one by one and run it. Okay. So I'll explain the next cell.
No, actually these are very important factors. So nothing will happen. So in the next cell it will happen.
See what happens. We write a code here, we see the output after that. This way. This is a code, this is the output of this particular code. In this way things run here. So in this cell, we have created a data set with 4 different attributes. What are the attributes? House size, number of rooms, location quality, and the price. Okay, so you need to run this particular shell in your system. See this way. Okay, now the next cell is about what this data talks about. I told you mean, standard deviation, all those things. So you get it by using this particular Python command. So there is a library which is pandas. Pandas gives you that flexibility. So you don't need to write so much of code to get a mean value or a standard deviation. Use this particular code.
So in AI there are two important things, data and program. So whatever you are learning, so data is required. For example, you want to learn how to write A, B, C. So you need data, different samples of A. So similarly for this program, this is the data and it will go inside the AI program. So AI will learn from this data. Next.
Okay. Now next cell talks about the correlation. So what a correlation means is like, suppose one feature is called the length of the building, one is breadth of the building, one is the area of the building. So all these 3 features are correlated to each other. We don't require all these 3 features. Only area is sufficient for us to get to a prediction. So that we need to find a correlation values there, and we will eliminate that. Why we eliminate that? We want to reduce the time complexity of the programs, because we don't want a program to run for a long duration in the training also. Make sense? Yes. So run the next cell like that. You will get the output. And these value indicates that these are highly correlated to each other. The values which is closer to 1 relates highly correlation. Closer to 0, it relates not related to each other. Now this is another way of visualization that particular data. See, house size and house size on the x-axis. This will give you a graph. This is called a bell-shaped curve. So what does this mean? This means that our values are from a particular range. It is from say plus to minus. Yes.
Correlation. For example, house size. There the same parameters will be there, house size, number of rooms.
So why we do this? We do this to analyze the data. What information we could retrieve from the data, and we can use this particular information further to train the model. You know, I could say a good output in terms of this. We need to optimize this one, and this one. Then what we do, we split the data into training set, testing set, and validation set. So why we do that? Because we want to train the model, want to see how it performs on its own data distribution, and what is its performance on the outer world. So for that we need to make 3 different sets. Are you getting?
So currently you are looking at code and the output, but when you will write the code first time, no output will be there. This output will pop out. Currently this program is already executed. Aman has executed this program. So you are saying input output together.
Okay. Now the 4th step is that we have completed the feature engineering. Now we will train the model. So since the data set is very small, the training will be very quick, within a millisecond.
See, this one is the most important step. As our brain learns by training, you see something, your brain, training happens within the brain, isn't it? You attend the classes 40 hours in a semester, so you learn something and you write in the exam. Without learning, you cannot write. Can you write without learning? So these 4 lines are responsible for learning. You are writing a step 4 train linear regression model. So these 4 lines will take the data, all data that we have for the housing, and will train the model. So model will be intelligent by using these 4 lines.
Like I'll give you one real life example. When we were a very kid, okay, so we don't know what a chair looks like. For me, chair would be like this also, this can also be a chair. But somebody told us that this is not a chair, that is a chair, which has a 4 different legs. So our brain keeps on learning with visualization, thinking. The same thing is, this model is learning with the data itself. Data is nothing but all the attributes and visualization. So are you able to run cell? Yes. And the next step is the prediction. So our model has got trained. Now we want to predict the price based on the area, house size and everything. So whatever you see,
And you observe one thing, Aman clicked and the training happened, but it's not the case always. For example, if the Google is training on the large data, for example the YouTube, you are uploading some video, YouTube rejected the video. So the training takes 10 days, 15 days, 1 month, big GPU clusters. Are you getting the point? If the data is in millions, trillions data point, for example, if I want to train the video from videos, so it will take hours, days to train the model. But the data set is very small. Only
Very
numbers
small.
are there. So the numbers, the time of training will be less. If we take the audio and images, more time, and videos highest. So it moves like that.
so what you see here is nothing but a prediction shell. I've shown you there now. We input these values and we get the predicted output. So after training we do this one. What you see on the front. Now one small assignment for you, if you have run the cell till here, that try to tweak the training size, testing size and see the output, how we are getting the output.
How can they tweak, just give the hit? One hit.
Okay. So what happened, if you see on the data set splitting, I'll show you. See, this is the line which help us to you to split the data into
Just look at it, step number 3.
this one. So what we are telling, what is the training set and testing set, and split on the basis of 80:20. 0.2 means 20% should be testing and 80% should be training. So try to tweak this one, change it to something like 60-40 or 50-50 and see what is the output performance.
So this is the test size 0.2. It means we have taken 20% of the data for test.
Change it to 0.5, 0.6.
So you can do it 0.3. Where are the data? Data we have taken in output. Yeah. Data we have taken.
So suppose this, the next cell is the solution. So you see here we have changed it to 0.3. We try to train it and see the output.
These are the libraries. So this is the random data. Random data sensitivity. Because the problem is that the data altogether. So I think 1500 into 300. 1500. So now I am saying that we have taken 80-20 split. So you can change 0.3. So 30% for testing. And now you can run the program on it. Then now the graph will change. Click here. Now next. And now the value I can change.
Are you able to run? Change and run. 0.5, 0.6.
It's like everywhere, down. So this is for the tweaking. We are producing different graphs by using the tool. Just do one minor change. This is these are the one minor change. These are the graphs. So have everyone? Is it? Can you do that? Step number 3.
Tadi step number 3.
Size it's written 0.2. It means 20% data for query testing, 80% for query. So you can do it 0.3. It means 30% testing, 70% query. Have you done it 0.3? Just execute completely.
So when you execute, you will get RMSE value. Root mean square error. Next, just next to that cell when you run it. You know what is the root mean square? Something like this you will get.
So the value change. It means you selected different procedure now.
See this one. See, this is 310234. Previously it was 18 something on the top. See.
So what is the meaning of root mean square error? So see, if for example we are predicting the house of the price. Listen to me. For example, we are predicting the house of the price. So there will be one actual price, isn't it? And AI will give one price. So the difference between actual and predicted, we call it the error. So AI cannot give 100% answers with 100% accuracy. There will be some difference from the reality. Sometimes it will coincide, but most of the times it will give the probability. Your house can be of $1 million, but that's the probability. It will be somehow closer to 1 million, some value is higher or lower to the 1 million. So RMSE is the error. What is the error from the reality?
See, I'll give you one example, mathematics. Suppose this is the predicted output and this is the estimated output, actual, and this is the predicted output. So we need to calculate the difference between these four. This is root mean square, RMSE. Makes sense? Have you seen this formula? X1 minus x2 whole square upon y1 minus y2 whole square. Yes. So the minimum, this value is minimum. It means that our model prediction is very close to the actual one. So it means a good model.
So with more data, we will quantify house over time.
Make sense? Now I'll show you a 3D visualization of this particular data. See in the next cells.
So this is the bread and butter of software engineers, and all of you are going to the software engineer, computer science. How many of you
are software engineering?
Computer science department, computer science, IT. Oh, only one.
She's software engineering.
Management. Therefore,
IT management. Business.
yeah, even business needs na, you need to analyze lot of data.
See, whatever data, synthetic data we generated, we got a labels for it and we could visualize in a 3D space. So I can rotate and show you that. See. Okay. So you can see here number of rooms. If the room number is 2, 3, 4, 5, what are the different, I could say, price value. So model try to learn this value and then try to form a straight line, some hyperplane. Can you visualize?
So is there any volunteer who will explain about the whole process? Any volunteer? What happened till now? How did we start? What is the problem? Not the program, but what is the problem statement and what is happening here? Is there any volunteer? Can you explain? Malaysian? Malaysian student. Yes, please. Please. Please tell one to your colleagues. Yes. Listen to your peer. What is he saying?
So hello, my name is Afiq. So today, first we need to find the problem first. Our problem is to predict the housing price. Okay, so to predict, we need a data set. That's how we train the machine. And other than data set, we also need an algorithm. So we need to choose the right algorithm. So in this case, we choose the linear regression. So and then from the data set, we split it into two categories. We have the training and we have the testing. So first of all, we put the training. In this case, is 70%, right? 80%. So another 20% is testing. So from the data set, we take 80% from the data set to train the model, which is the linear regression, and then 20% we test how accurate it is, and how we test it. We use RMSE and R squared. So RMSE is to measure how well the model predicts. Like the higher the score, like right now, if you see in the Google Colab, the RMSE is 0.8, right? So that means it's high. So it's close to 1. So if it's 1, meaning the model is perfect. It could predict perfectly. But yeah, it's quite impossible because yeah, it's not possible. And then squared, I'm not sure. Yes.
Thank you.
So he answered too well. So I just want to give this time to him.
You must read it out loud. Gimana mic-nya?
All must be attentive to get the gifts.
Okay, cita-cita besar butuh kampus yang tepat. Thank you.
So you understood, or do I need to explain more? Understood? Shall we move to next problem statement? Thank you. One is the Netflix recommendation engine. I am very fond of sci-fi movie. I watched Interstellar.
So now this is project number 2, Netflix.
So
Movie recommendation.
how our system understand that if that particular guy has watched Interstellar, I should give him a recommendation of like Gravity movie. You have seen it. It is also a sci-fi movie. So how it come to that conclusion? It comes to that conclusion based on the technique which is called collaborative filtering. Now what is collaborative filtering? Suppose my profile is there in Netflix. So I have a certain feature set already created. Say XYZ something feature set. You have an account in the Netflix, you have a different feature set. So how will we relate to each other? Means we need to find the similarity between both the features. Okay, so suppose this one is my feature plotted into a 3D space. This room is a 3D. Suppose my point is here, your point is here. So how close we are to each other? So if we are very close to each other, it means that my likes are similar to your likes. Got my point? If I like movie ABC, it means that the point which is close to me, that person will also like similar kind of movie, ABC. Make sense?
Yeah.
So this is how ML try to give you a recommendation in the movie. And Netflix has billions of movies, web series, and everything. So it's very, I could say, hard for Netflix to predict a good output. So I'll run it and I'll show you how things will flow. So suppose these are the steps which are the similar user in the 3D space. I showed you my feature space is here, your is here, so it is close. So we try to find similar users. Then calculate the similarity. Similarity is when calculated using various metrics. Cosine similarity is one of the metrics. Root mean square is there. Euclidean distance is there. Manhattan, Minkowski. So many distances are there. Now comes weight recommendation. So based on the feature, I could say distance calculation, similarity. We try to map it to number of users which have a similar kind of taste.
So, Aman, you can also tell what are the input parameters. What are the features in this?
Yeah, this one. These are the features. Whether I like action movie, romance, comedy, horror, sci-fi.
Okay, so depending upon this, you will get the recommendation.
Okay, so if I run this, see, it will see.
How do you get this?
See, it is predicting the score here.
4.2 rating.
Horror movie I love the most.
So this rating is generated by AI or what? AI is giving the rating and accordingly giving you the recommendation.
So suppose I have these all features which I could movies which I could select. So I'll select one movie and I'll show you the recommendation on the right side. Suppose I selected Fast and Furious. So see, it gave me a movie recommendation of like John Wick, Avengers, Baby Driver. So these all belongs to same cluster, same category. So that's why it has recommended us. Is that clear? So shall we proceed to programming part? So go to next notebook in the GitHub.
Yes. Because again we are basically capturing the way. They are looking to dictate more and more.
See, open this one, same process, click on this collab link, you will redirect it to Google Colab and we will run cell each cell one by one. Same process, what we have followed for house price prediction.
So what can you do after the workshop? You have the code now. All of you have the code. You can you can go to the YouTube, explore more about these projects. You have the code, you explore about the segments. Using ChatGPT, what is the meaning of this library, and run it again. If you will try to map it, all points will be connected. And own this project as your own. Then you can write it into your resume also. That we have done these three projects.
No, not really.
Just like the singing. You sing someone else's composition, but you own it and sing by yourself, and it becomes your song. Similarly, someone else has written it.
Nanti ini semua kita perhatikan, nanti ada tugas. Tugas harus diselesaikan baru bisa dapat sertifikat. Ya. Kalau tugas nggak selesai berarti cuma nonton aja tapi nggak dapat sertifikat. Oke? Ya. Ya. Nanti ada kata Mr. Aman, Satmi juga boleh. Berarti cerita bahwa kamu itu belajar apa aja di dalam tugas ini, terus mendapatkan manfaat apa aja, cerita jadi dapat sertifikatnya.
So just form a 3 different, I could say, short summary of each project. So right now we have executed the first one. Second one, I want you to try by yourself. You have the code, go Google it, see how things are working there. Third one, I'll explain you the idea, and same thing, I'll not execute the code. So try to form a short summary and share it with me, so that I could run and say that yes.
Tapi nggak boleh bohong, Bapak.
Not yet, I have few more things.
Yeah, okay, go ahead.
So you get everything, see, you can visualize things. So these all outputs are nothing but a Python programming. These outputs are written in a code format to visualize ourselves.
So what's the assignment now? Assignment?
They need to explore this particular both notebook, and they need to provide summary.
Oh, summary, yes.
First one I have already explained you.
Take your time. 20, 15.
And it's very easy. See, I've listed down the points on the top only. What this notebook talks about. You need to understand it and provide a short summary. So, shall I move to next one?
Paste ya, nggak boleh copy paste, harus tulis sendiri.
We will catch you if you use ChatGPT.
So, shall we move to next?
Yes, please.
Yes. So the third one is the spam classification. It means that you get thousands of emails a day. So all thousands are not of your use. Some are for the, I could say, in the sense that few are for fooling you, looting you. Just a bad email you get.
They can post it on their
So what is there in the email? Email has text. Okay, computer doesn't understand text, they understand numbers. So these texts are converted into embeddings, which we call it numbers. Okay, you have seen something like this, 0.6, comma, 0.7, like this. These are embeddings. So a text is converted into embeddings, and those embeddings are plotted in a 3D space, somewhere like this, like this, like this. And a classifier is used to classify this as a spam or non-spam. Which classifier we use here? We use name-based classifier.
I think everyone observed in the Gmail, few messages go to spam automatically. Have you seen?
Yeah.
And most of the messages are in the inbox. So how Gmail works basically? So there is some AI program. Just by looking at the language of the program, Gmail identifies, okay, this email is not right, and throws the email to the spam. So this program actually is the same replica of that one.
Make sense? There are many algorithms which is used for classification. So one is name-based classifier. So to understand this, you need to deep dive into its mathematics formulation.
This is something
Make
like
sense?
some software.
So I'll run one. See, it's trying to analyze the words. Then it's telling what is the percentage of spam or non-spam. This was the email which we got. Okay, it has done some word probability analysis, and based on that it told that this is a spam email, don't open it, throw it away.
So for example, in your email, if it's written lottery, some dollars, some kind of, sometimes even the workshop, these kind of emails also go to the spam. If the sender sends it again and again, it happens now because Gmail recognizes that it's some kind of attack or some kind of spam, so throws it there. So depending upon the types of the words. Are you getting the point? So semantic analysis, syntax analysis, multiple things are happening.
Yes.
Is it actually true that even if we just open the email, the spam email, we would actually get attacked?
Yes.
Is it like,
Yes.
is it from like just opening the email and then let's say there's
Yes.
a link, and then if I only press the link and then I'll get attacked.
Yes.
So if I just open the email, I won't get attacked, right?
No, you will get attacked in that case when there are different kind of viruses. Trojan is there.
Yeah.
So if it depends on what virus is attached to that email.
Oh.
If you open it, might be possible your laptop and phone is being hacked by somebody, and your camera and microphone is being heard by somebody. So this Android phone, okay, this phone hears everything. Whatever we are talking right now, it hears.
Yeah.
And based on that, it gives us recommendation. So that's why people don't prefer to use Android. They prefer to use, iPhone.
Only with Android, not iPhone, because
No iPhone.
at the time I said that I'm going to Indonesia and then
You will get a recommendation of something flight or so you, because it hears.
I remember talking about vacuum cleaners, and then suddenly tak beli vacuum. Lepas tu, and then it just suddenly keeps on recommending about vacuum
Yeah.
everywhere. And I got quite scared.
Same thing is for email also. If you open that email, it depends what virus is present there. If it is present that you don't need to click it, just open it, that virus will take over your control. Just be careful when you see anything spam. So, see, this way you will get output something like this. Suppose there is a meeting invite at 2 p.m. means safe email, you can open it, you can use it. These are very high threat, medium threat like this. And you will get the third program in this particular notebook. This one, spam. So you need to follow the same process which you followed for first. See, all step I've written, synthetic data we generate it, we train it. Follow the same structure. Generate data, analyze the data, EDA, feature engineering, train the model, do prediction, same thing. So shall we move next?
Yes. But isn't it like quite like how exactly does the system, this program detect spam emails? Like is it from the keywords? Congratulations, you
Yes.
won $1,000. But what if it's like it's actually really a harmless email? It doesn't say something, I'm sorry to say, dumb things like you just want something.
See,
But they just actually
I'll give you one example.
put in some virus.
Suppose I got a 10,000 email, okay, data set. I'm talking about data. 10,000 data set is there, and out of all 10,000, 5,000 is spam one, 5,000 is non-spam. Now when I read that spam one, I'll get a clear a pattern observed there. Why it is a spam? Because some words are there which is very dangerous. So the same thing my brain learns. When I get a new email, my brain try to find if these words are present there. If present, that it could be an indicator that it is a spam, it is not good. So in this way, our brain learns same is machine. And they do in the form of a embedding.
Yeah. Why I asked for the last one, I got error.
Which one? Third one, last one.
Yeah.
Oh. No worries, this is for visualization. This is the
Okay.
just to give you a clear picture that how things are working. Last shell I have written it. So now this was classical ML, very basics, ML algorithms, machine learning. Now I'll show you what AI has different superpowers. Okay, so this is going to be more fascinating and I could say interesting. So what AI can do? So when I say we are providing machine the ability to see things. Okay, you have heard about facial recognition. You open your phone and it identifies that you are the owner. It opens it. It is a computer vision. So this is the field, computer vision. This is also a part of AI. Second one is natural language processing. You have seen OpenAI ChatGPT. It works on the concept of textual information. So that is NLP. Text, generative AI, OpenAI. Generation of new text, new video online. There are many fake videos and images being created. So from where it has been created? This one, generative AI.
So nowadays, you should not post your face everywhere. It is dangerous.
So you take selfies now?
Yeah, if you post your face and videos everywhere, it means as a hacker I can take your face and create any video. So this is one of the very dangerous attacks. Because I have the features, I can take your 100 images and I can create any video. So this is very, very dangerous nowadays.
So AI could be a curse also and a boon also. It depends how we are going to use it. Okay, so when we take selfies, the data is being utilized by Google, Microsoft.
And in the future, the social sites will be like that. You will log your photos, videos. It will not be public anymore. It will be available only for the closed network. Because the AI will generate everything. And for example, if my face is there and if someone creates a video that I am doing the murder, then it's very dangerous thing for me. It's a threat for me. So similarly, this is very, very dangerous.
So this is one side of the AI. Second side is that it is helping us in many things, like healthcare. Okay, in healthcare, we can detect cancers, brain tumors, looking at the MRI scans, CT scans. So it is helpful in many fields also. So that's why I've listed down here all those things where it can be used, infrared visions and everything. So that is a superpower that AI brings to the table. So similarly, we have different sect of it. Like in robotics, we can use AI. You have seen MIT a robotic dog.
Yeah.
So yeah, that is the combination of robotics and AI. The dog is for defense. It can fight. It can do multiple things.
But
This
needs
one.
to be charged, right?
Yeah. Another one is reinforcement learning. So the machine tried to play with the humans and it beat the human. You know there was one game. There is one game Go. So machine like chess. You know. Machine tried to learn the patterns which human plays and try to recorrect itself. So that is field is called reinforcement learning. So how do we learn as a human? I learn by making mistakes. I know if it is a fire as a child, I go and touch it, it burns. So we don't need to touch it. Reinforcement, learning by self. Another one is the medical AI. Different things, heart rate prediction, BP. I'll show you one demo also. One product I have worked on in which you just upload your video and you will get a heart rate, blood pressure, video of your face.
Can you check mine?
I'll show you.
Check mine.
What did it scan? Is it our eyes? How did
Your
it
skin.
scan for the
Skin. Your skin, behind your skin there is a RBCs running, red bloods. So the more blood is there, it means that you have a different good quality.
What if you wake up? Can it still be back?
Makeup. I think it will fail.
So see actually what happens, the AI when they look at the video, so at each and every movement your face, their face is changing actually. Some micro movements are happening. We cannot observe by naked eyes, but behind the skin the blood is flowing. So some micro movements are happening all the time. So AI detects those micro movements and correlates. For example, 1 minute video, first frame, second frame, third frame on graph is drawing. We call it a PPG signal. Yeah, by drawing that signal, then it predicts the heart rate, blood, everything.
Blood pressure.
This is one of the modern technology.
It's not 100% accurate, but it predicts 90 to 95. But in healthcare, we require more, I could say, accuracy. So that's why still research is in the phase. Okay. Another one is the bioinformatics, biology. Anything you have heard about
Body temperature.
protein breakdown by AI, by DeepMind. I'll show you one.
So the temperature, the body temperature is most accurate at this point. So you use thermal camera. Look at the eye and go to
Is there
the same. But the problem is that the face will because of its easy.
See, AlphaFold.
So you see the oximeter? It does from here. Same thing. But it's invasive. Camera will not invasive. We are not taking it. If we can also scan. Yes. Yes, over makeup, that's it. Can create the problem. Over makeup. Yeah, some makeup. That will create problem. So even we have to ask more small.
See, these are protein structures. When you use a microscope and see the protein, these will look like this. So when you do some changes in each protein, a new thing is being developed. What is coronavirus? Coronavirus is a variant. That virus was already available, but it's a new variant. So the protein structure of coronavirus is a little different.
No one can detect. For example, if I take the from and possible remove the head, add someone else, and do some kind of processing on the image, take the print.
That might be possible.
So in the video, they get the advice from architects.
So you got this field, bioinformatics, informatics and computational biology.
High quality by AI, it's very hard for the AI.
Another one is the speech.
Even the AI cannot detect the real one and the fake one.
You have heard about that Jarvis,
That's the problem. That's why AI is
Iron Man Jarvis. So how it will respond to your voice robot, because it analyzes your voice. So that field is audio or speech AI.
Robot knows that my battery is draining. Just put finger in on plug and charge. Now we are just
So I'll show you one demo of the product also. I worked on this also.
you will Google it. You just go to YouTube. Just
Another one is remote sensing. You know, on
battery replacing
around the world, satellites are revolving. So satellites capture images of the different places. So AI can use that data and do a lot much more. So that field is called remote sensing. Similarly, time series data. So you know stock markets.
Yeah. Trading.
The market moves in a time series manner. So AI can be used there to predict what is going to be the price of this particular share after 1 hour, 2 hours. This is time series.
Wow.
Another one is quantum. Have you heard about quantum physics?
They do the portfolio management by year.
See, I'll tell you. Suppose this door is locked with some numbers. Say 4-digit number. 5, 7, 8, 2. Okay, this is the password. Now, to decode this password, how many times we need to try it? 4 factorial, 3 factorial, 2 factorial, 1 factorial. Or multiply together. This much possibilities. Now, normally what we do, we'll follow one by one. We'll start with 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Now what quantum does? Quantum do all these things at once. It execute all the possibilities at once.
It's very powerful machine.
Yes, powerful machine.
Make you mati ya.
Makes sense? And how it does? I'll tell you the reason. Right now, in our hard drive, the memory, call it as a RAM and storage memory, hard drive. How the computer store the information in the form of a 0 and 1. That's it. This is called binary bits. Okay, everything in this world works on the concept of binary numbers. Okay, now quantum comes into picture. It tells that it's not only binary, it's something else. 0, 1, something 1, 0, many more. But not 1, 0, it could be 9, 10, anything. So these are called qubits. Qubits. So this requires more computation, more power as compared to this one. So that's why it has the ability to process the things at once.
But it takes less time than binary, right? Faster. It's faster than binary.
Yes, binary.
Faster but more space.
Yes. More power, more space.
So this is the new era. In 1940s, we have vacuum tubes, bigger computer, just like the size of this room. Vacuum tubes we use, but they fail in between. Then after that, the technology came, the semiconductor technology. We have transistors, we have chips. Now we are running on the semiconductor device. So this is the next era, where we have the quantum chips. Quantum chips. So next era. So these machines will be useless after 10 years. You will have new type of computers, or this computer connected with the quantum server. So situation will be like that. So in the quantum there is, have you heard about quantum entanglement? Have you heard about it?
Just for
So for example, we are sitting here. So if we move with the speed of light, even it will take many light years to cross the galaxy.
Yeah.
Isn't it?
Yes.
But in quantum entanglement, two particles millions of light year away also can sync with each other. If I say hi like this, so millions of light years away, I can control something else. This is called the entanglement.
This
So
we are
entanglement
talking
also happens here.
20 years.
Bits entanglement. It's a very complex concept.
Yes.
And even our consciousness, someone says that one Penrose is a very popular scientist. He told that our consciousness is also exhibiting the quantum behavior. Do you know what is the consciousness? Consciousness means the basically you know that you exist. So this is the consciousness. I know about my existence. So this is my consciousness. So but generally we think that the consciousness is in our brain. If someone will hit the stone in my brain damage, my consciousness will go. So this is the primary concept. But the science says that the consciousness is beyond my brain and body. there is called a super consciousness. We sometimes call it the God. So it means we all have the common consciousness. So it means someone is looking from me to you. It's my body, but someone inside me, there is some consciousness that is looking towards all of you. Inside me there is some consciousness that is looking towards you, and inside you there is some consciousness looking towards me. But the beauty is that the theory says that the consciousness is common.
Is what?
Consciousness is common. Common consciousness. It means whosoever looking from inside you to me, the same consciousness is looking.
Common.
Same in a different body structure, body format.
So the common consciousness is holding this whole universe. Isn't it scary?
I'm inside you.
So I'll show you one video where NVIDIA has shown that how a CPU try to process things and how a GPU. Okay. So this is CPU processing one by one. Okay. No sound.
Oh, no sound. Okay.
I think you need to. Now this is a GPU machine. See, at once whole image is generated. How powerful GPUs are, and quantum is more powerful than GPU.
So it will take a shorter time.
Longer time.
What is G stand for?
Graphical processing unit.
Have you seen the gaming laptops? Gaming laptops.
Yeah.
Some written RTX, NVIDIA. So those are the GPUs of NVIDIA. So those machines are needed for the fast computation, for AI work.
So this kind of AI doesn't need the CPU or still need.
No, it needs the GPU.
Okay. So the idea was for this one is to show you that what AI can do. So whenever there is a data, AI is there.
Yeah.
There are many fields which I have not told you. Nanoscience.
Nanoscience?
Yes.
What is that?
Nano bots you have heard.
Yeah.
Are bots which will go inside your body and do all this surgery and many things.
Like goes into the artery.
Yes.
To payment.
PMX.
It's a no.
So nanoscience. Photonics. You have seen the sunlight. Those are photons.
Yeah.
Those photons hold some information, memory.
Okay.
So, yes. So wherever there is energy, there is memory. So still humans are doing research there. So AI can, I could say, combine with photonics
To do what? To do what?
to do data transfer. Right now I'm sitting here. Right now I need to transfer data to you.
Okay.
So I'll take 1 minute, 2 minutes, Bluetooth or something like that. But that photonics.
Oh.
Makes sense?
So that means to this case, you actually need to be expert in physics as well.
Yes.
So this is like a big
Collaboration. Yes. Physics, chemistry, biology, AI,
So
maths,
you can't be
data.
done by one person. You need
No.
to have that.
No.
How does it do with the human science? Can AI excel in human science as well?
Yes.
How? Because
Give me one use case.
for example, if someone is trying to understand literature or history, maybe it's not history, but for literature.
Literature. So yes, right now OpenAI does that. No? You don't need to. You don't need to study whole library books. You just need to go to OpenAI, give your prompt and context. It will give you the output. Study that. You will get the knowledge. You don't need to read whole research paper. Just push one research paper, get a summary, move forward. So the faster literature AI is helping you. These all websites, you see 3D design, these all. I'm not a front-end developer, but I've coded this in few hours. I'm not a front-end person. I don't develop websites. I am an AI researcher and engineer. This is the front-end, UI UX. I have not coded it. I have take the help of AI to code this. Yes. LLMs.
Using Gamma AI.
Large language
So
models.
Aman did it in 1 hour without knowing front end.
These all websites you see
1
here.
hour using AI.
These all websites you see, all the pages I have gone through one by one. 3D image, diagram, everything. I have not coded it. AI has coded it for me.
Please spill the link.
It's not a link. I'll show you the code.
Our presentation is here.
What AI
These all things, these all codes. These are different files. House price prediction, movie, everything.
So that means you just copy paste the code and then put it into the
And even the creator
I have put my brain.
of course.
You send the link to me. Aman, send the link to me. I can send to them. You can share.
It's not a link. It's not a link.
It's generative AI.
Okay.
Grok, you have heard about Grok 4? Grok, Cloud,
Twitter, right?
Cloud.
What are you? Grok? X Grok?
This is Cloud. Same like OpenAI. I've used this. Yeah.
Jadi kalau AI ni yang bagi the coach coding.
Okay. So you can also do many things. If you don't know, no problem. Ask AI. Do things. That's why I'm not a. I've never done a front end development. Then also I've developed this website. How is it? What is the review for this page and everything? Whatever I've shown.
For you, I wanted to say that have never worked front end. I did it because it looks very professionally made.
So till now, everything is okay? Or do you need a break?
How many minutes more?
Now we have a demo and any question on the AI.
I think just continue. Lanjut ya, masih semangat ya, lanjut ya. Kira-kira setengah jam lagi.
So it's interesting. It's interesting.
And scary at the same time.
So now I'll tell you how ChatGPT has been built. ChatGPT has been built. So it has been built on transformers. So what are transformers? You have heard about You have heard about neural networks. Some networks like this. You have seen this image? So these are neural networks. Okay. Then came into market CNNs. which are convolutional neural network. Very good for computer vision, visualizing things. Picture. Take picture of a dog or a cat and predict whether it's a dog or a cat or a XYZ. Okay. Then came into picture. These CNNs were not good at predicting text data. OpenAI we do chat. Chat is basically text, not image. So we need something which is very good at text, which we call it as a RNN, recurrent neural network. So it predict. Suppose a sentence is written. I am providing lecture, something like this. So this word, what is behind this word? After this word, this architecture will help us to know, not this one. Limitation of this is being fulfilled by this. Then came into picture LSTM, long short term memory. Right now this used to remember the previous word, now it remember few more words. So limitation of this is fulfilled by this. Now this also has limitation, which will be fulfilled by attention. So attention basically help you to suppose 500 words from this side, 500 from this side, and which word to pick into attention. Like we don't see, if you tell me something in Malaysian language or Indonesian language, I don't understand. I'll pick words, important words which I have heard about it. So that is attention. I need to put attention, which words to pick. Then based on this attention, encoder-decoder architecture was developed.
Learn everything carefully.
What is encoder-decoder? Like I want to talk with you all. Okay, I don't know your language. I'll type that language in English. It gets converted to Indonesian, Malaysian. Okay, so how the conversion happens? Encoder is here, decoder is there. So in this way, this architecture. Now, using this, transformers were formed. So I am trying to tell you the history. Yeah, these transformers are nothing but the attention. Make sense? And any large language models, whether it's OpenAI, Grok, Cloud, everything is a variant of transformers.
Is there any limitation for the next?
Yes.
What is the limitation?
Limitation is that it can't take consideration long text. If you put one book text into ChatGPT, it will not give you good output. That's the limitation.
Why? Why?
Because there is a context window. We have a memory limitation in the RAM. Our memory is limited. 16 GB means 16 GB. We can't extend it. So if we have more GBs, say 1000, we will increase the memory. Then also there is a limitation. One book is so much of information.
But nowadays, if you are using the paid version of ChatGPT or Grok, so they are creating your persona. Means you are chatting something. Today you are chatting. Day after tomorrow. They keep remembering and giving you answer depending upon your persona. And even there are many apps. Even I will tell you, I have seen one app of Silicon Valley. You can create your friends using that app. So your friend will call you, AI friend will call you, will do chit chat with you, will sing songs for you, and it will be personalized. It will be personalized. Depending upon your chatting, it will adapt. Yeah. And you can also select the type of the friend. Different type of images are also there. Let me. Yes. Aman, continue.
I'll give you an example. Think of a friend which were in nursery with you. Do you remember? With whom you used to study in nursery? Yeah. Do you remember? Why? You have seen data is there in your brain, neurons, but you don't recall it. because your brain has some limitation. So, so that's the limitation of transformers also. So no worries. Within time, it will also be captured.
So it keep forgetting, right? After that, forget.
Yeah. So that's why output is not that much good. So you understand this transformers. Now I'll show you how a text is being processed. So this is nothing but NLP, natural language processing.
So I am sending, professor is sending you the AI company for making the AI girlfriend and boyfriend.
That's very important.
To see where the technology is heading.
I will not quarrel with you. Always love you. Forever and ever.
That's so sad. But tại sao sắp người đi kể chuyện? Đúng rồi, kể chuyện.
You first open.
Love it.
Open it. See. I think we need another one. There is.
See, you will get like this.
Makes sense?
Then you will see.
Maybe like this, right? We can.
Yeah, yeah. How many video call you can do? I mean, have you seen this website? Loveescape.com.
You got my message? You got, right?
You see this app? You see what AI is doing. Even you can have AI friend. How it is.
So shall we proceed?
Yeah, proceed.
Yeah. So I'll scroll down this particular website and will show you how transformers works.
Don't worry.
So this is a text sentence. We go to work by train. Okay. So how machine is learning this thing? One by one I'll show you. This text is broken down into tokens. We go to work by train. Each token, this is token number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now,
Go to work by train.
sorry.
Oh.
So now AI try to learn this work is what is the relationship of this work with different words. You see. Now see, work word has different meaning with different words. Now we try to form a good embeddings. Make sense? We try to learn that word with numbers. Does this picture make clear? This is the word work relation with all these words are there. Yeah, so based on these relations, it tried to change the embeddings. these numbers. I told you na, my feature is plotted into a 3D space here. So why here? Why not here? So it comes to that part using these learnings. This is the way transformers works. When you ask question, it try to convert your text into these three embeddings. Make sense?
Yeah.
Oh.
So that's from the word. That's word color.
Word, only one word. Now relationship with that word with another words, which is called attention.
Attention.
Yeah, I told you na this
Yeah,
one.
before the two. Yeah.
So the core of this is attention.
Here is attention.
Yeah. Sorry. Now see, I've told you one word is plotted into 3D space. See, if walk, swim, run, this form a particular cluster. They are nearby each other. Why they are near? Because walk, swim and run is a similar kind of data. Similarly, if you pick one, on, in, with, what are these? These are English. Similarly here. Make sense?
Yes.
A cluster is being formed, similar kind of words.
Okay.
See. Now this is attention. See, this is what is the relation of this particular word with this one, this one, this one. What is the weightage? This is called attention. So there are two types of attention: self-head attention, multi-head attention.
Is this still when they are reading before they start to generate answer?
Yes.
Okay.
You type something in chat GPT, na? They do all this processing behind. See, the interest has different meaning. I have no interest in politics. Interest here means my mind is not there in politics. One interest means the bank's interest rate rises.
Oh yeah.
It's different.
Different. So this word embedding will be different for AI. Two different embeddings will be there. Make sense?
Yes.
So see, this way the data is generated. ChatGPT based on the previous tokens.
So you start by this use attention technique.
Yes.
Attention technique.
Yes.
What's the difference between that word to verb and
Difference between?
word to verb, EF, is there a difference between?
Yeah, EF, IDF and word to vec is used to convert it into numbers. Word to vec, TF, IDF. I'll tell you, this is term frequency inverse IDF, that one. Okay, so these are used to convert the text into numbers, and these numbers are static. Okay, now attention is not to convert into numbers, but to remember what needs to be, which words to pick from the whole paragraph. Suppose I have a paragraph starting from here. This is a word is there, work. Something last word is done. Okay. Now this particular work word, which words from its previous tokens to remember when you predict, and which words to remember after this is called attention.
So they also take words way after that one.
Yes. For example, I am a science student. Okay, somebody comes to me and teaches me a language. I have no interest, so I'll not put that much attention there. I'll put my much more attention in science. So this is what attention means, where you need to put your focus. So suppose three friends are going to watch a movie. One friend is responsible to analyze the how well the acting is being done. One friend is responsible for analyzing the song. Another friend something else, critics. So all has different attention role. Focus is different. That is attention. And it is called multi-head attention. Multi-head attention. It's clear? Now we'll come to the last phase of this workshop, which is a live product demo. Yeah. So I've told you that this project talks about voice recognition. Means is that spoken words are spoken by the same person or a different person. So we spoke, then a wave signal is formed like this. Okay. Now what computer does? It converts this wave signal into fragments, sections. Each section is called as a MEL spectrogram. I'll show you the picture also. Energy spectrogram, you can see it. This way. This one. These are all spectrograms, energy spectrogram, power spectrogram. So our, whatever we spoke, it's get converted into this structure. Then machine convert this into a embeddings, then process it.
From the fragment. From the fragment.
Yes. These are the fragments. One fragment, another fragment will be little different. So you know there are many person who work in this particular field. They can only see this and tell what was spoken here. Yes. I told you now, when we take a video of our face, it gives us indication that where the blood is more. So same way here, looking at this spectrogram, they can tell that which word was spoken here. Something like that.
They can detect.
Yes.
I think we can call one volunteer on that platform. One volunteer to register his voice.
I'll only do.
You are already registered.
So I'll show them that. Okay. So see, so already I have enrolled my voices. I have given 3 different voices of myself to the system. So the system has already known my voice in a feature embedding form. It has stored. Now I'll do a live detection in which I'll speak something and it will try to detect whether that particular voice and already stored voice are similar or different. Hello, my name is Aman. Right now I am giving a lecture.
So he told something. Now see, AI. Oh, even my voice is recorded. I think.
I've stopped a bit late.
So it's processing.
See, it detected my voice. Same speaker.
Emotion detected. Neutral.
Same speaker. Everything.
Will that also detect the happy voice,
Yes.
sad
Happy,
voice?
sad,
Can
neutral.
Use my voice, my voice.
Okay, use her voice,
Okay.
Okay, do yours. You use
Can
something
I
the other
put
time.
a big sad voice?
But you can't fake it now.
Already?
She can.
But you can try with your voice. Let us see how the system performs.
Okay.
So you need to say something here.
Where?
If the system click here.
Say something. Just silence, keep silence.
Okay.
Let her say something.
Hello, my name is Soleha.
Sedih tak sekolah cuma sedih.
Tiba-tiba neutral balik. Alamak, I don't want it to be. Okay, let's say that's neutral.
Yeah. This has been trained on Indian voices.
Indian voices? I have to say the Indian voice.
I have a different accent. You have a different
Ah!
accent. So your voice and my voice are different.
Different.
You are a different speaker for me.
Okay, I'll think I have a voice.
Some boxes.
So did you like it?
Okay, let's
This is a real product.
Label the box by his voice.
This is an Indian
Where can it be?
Real product.
Only the box
Where
labeled
can
by
it be
his voice.
used? Where can it be used? Like
It can be used. I told you na, Iron Man Jarvis. It can have this particular feature na. Suppose I have a robot. It only works based on my instructions, not yours.
Siri.
Yeah.
Yes, Siri, Alexa.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe we can implement it into a car and then we just call out the car.
Yes.
And then the car recognize our voice comes to us.
So how was it? This demo. Not good. Shall we move next? Next demo.
Yes.
Okay, yes, let's go.
Now I will show you that was signal processing. We were having signals and AI was doing stuff. Now this is computer vision, in which images and videos are being sent to the AI and AI predicts. So this API is about detecting similar kind of faces. Okay, so I'll show you which faces have already been registered. So see, 2 person has already been registered. Dr. Ankur and one more Harsh. Okay, now we'll upload one more video of a different person and one video of Dr. Ankur. For that I need to do some camera setup. But I have recorded a video, so 2 videos I'll upload and show the output.
So these are our products that we designed.
See,
this product.
I have uploaded a video of a different person who was not in our database. It took it and tell that this is unknown person. This doesn't belong to my database. So this can be used in attendance systems.
So this is face match. Previously it was voice matching. Now this is face matching.
Face match.
So currently you have to log in on the Gmail ID password. So with AI no need to remember ID password. So your face, log into the Gmail.
You
so
know,
your face, say something, log into the Facebook.
You know,
It will be the, like that.
at the airports, Dubai airport, Delhi airport, India, in India, we don't need to carry any identity.
Yes,
Our
yes,
face
yes,
is our
yes,
identity.
yes, yes, my face.
Even if you like have facial hair or like you change your hairstyle, you can still
Still detect.
Does it use your eyes?
Yeah, but
Not retina, only face.
and other IDs they are not using.
Face.
Like exactly identical.
No one is taking
What feature?
It can differentiate that also.
but they are not
what are the
I think thrown the
It has been trained on that kind of data.
but that's the case.
just no specific thing.
It's just overall.
Yes. So when I travel, I don't need to carry anything. My face is my identity.
If you go to the China, then there is face pay. No need to scan something. Show your face and payment is done.
Yeah.
See, I have uploaded one video of Dr. Ankur and it has detected the name in the database.
I am registered there.
He is registered there. See,
Ankur.
yeah.
One face. Only one.
So how is it? Shall we move next? Demo?
Yes. This is very interesting.
So these are the products which work in the market. So right now this is not only AI. AI with deployment, cloud, DevOps, everything. So this has been done. This has been hosted on a server, AWS. So now next one is that uploading a video and get the heart rate, blood pressure.
Looking at your face and telling your heart rate, BP, respiration rate, hemoglobin, everything. Sugar.
Make sense? You can use hand also, but this particular feature was developed from face.
Your area is more, face area is more. Forehead, everything is there. And even the active area. Face is the most active area.
Okay, so I'll run this one. So we need to provide few more things. Video of the face, height, weight, age.
That means just detect it as your temperature, heart rate, respiration rate. Just like the smartwatch on your hand, but
See the output.
in the face.
Your heart rate from the video, 79 beats per minute. Respiratory rate, pulse question rate, BMI, body mass index. What is your blood pressure? Both blood pressure, SPP, DBP. What is your SP2 oxygen content in your blood? 97%.
Is this the output?
Yes, this is the output. Using the video as an input. Sounds interesting?
So does it need a very high definition? Does it need a very good resolution of
Yes.
Nice question.
WhatsApp will not work.
what?
WhatsApp videos will not work.
Oh.
WhatsApp reduces the quality of the video when it sends to someone.
So what's the lowest
So can we do it? We can also do it from the mobile camera, but the result accuracy will improve when you use the high-end camera. Yeah. So all because accuracy matters. Because all the time if you are healthy, you need the approximate values. But if you are sick, then in that case you need some medical setting and high-resolution camera.
So that's all.
So next time no need the health bag.
Yeah, no need. So that's all from women. Let's clap.
How was it?
Very insightful.
can write. Because I wrote in the text. I took the workshop.
I try to make things
So-
visualized to you.
So have you seen one LinkedIn post I shared?
No.
The professor shared. Just click there. The
Okay,
LinkedIn
wait. I
post.
share now. I share now.
Yeah, I'll share my LinkedIn too.
In that, Aman is also mentioned. So you will connect with Aman also.
Yeah, let's connect on LinkedIn.
So have you received? Professor is sending.
Okay, I sent already.
Just click on the link and everyone like and comment good workshop. Like and comment good workshop. Was it good?
Yeah.
Was it knowledgeable?
Yeah.
Just post. Just share your blessings to India.
Okay. Approve my connection. You need to post approve my connection with us.
Yes, yes, I will approve the connection. Please write something in the post. Write something.
You need to post a picture with
Dr.
us.
Ankur, yes.
Post a picture with us. Post a picture.
Yeah, I will post. Just after it. Yeah. Just write something good workshop, interesting, like something, or your feedback.
Oh, that post is on this workshop.
Yeah, I have already posted last night. The same thing.
Okay.
Okay, this jacket is for Mr. Aman. Winter coat over there.
Yes, the winter is here.
Okay. Yeah.
You can put the laptop on.
You put the laptop first. Okay, good. Yeah. And for you also.
We want to oleh-oleh.
Besok pulangnya berapa?
Bulannya yang awal ada yang telat.
Oh, pagi-pagi masih bisa kesini atau enggak? Yang
Yang telat
yang paling pagi,
pagi
kapan?
flightnya pukul 11. Jika ada ini bisa. Ada ini bisa.
Oh, thank you, Prof. Thank you. Now I'm the part of alphabet. Thank you.
Mana udah take picture?
It's a very small world and we all are connected. So if you are connected with us and with professor, then we will come again. We'll conduct more workshops.
Yeah.
Maybe we'll start from basic Python and even more advanced.
Yeah.
Okay? So that's why the connection is important. That's why I send you the LinkedIn.
Yeah.
Connect, comment. Okay.
With Dr. Azura and everybody, we already say that they'll be connecting lecture together. Yeah. So we conduct lecture where everybody here present and you in Malaysia also present. Yeah. And then we have interesting people, Professor Ankur, Dr. Aman to talk. Okay. And many other people. Okay. Yeah. So we make our learning experience exciting. Okay.
You can connect with me on the LinkedIn. Professor has shared one link. I've been tagged there.
Yeah, he has, Aman is tagged.
Ahmad is?
Tagged. In the post, Aman is tagged.
Okay.
I have been tagged. Thanks, Aman. Last. Aman is tagged.
Plus, you can get in touch with me on WhatsApp. But response will be delayed, so but you will get the response.
So now I have so many friends.
So thank you everybody. Now bebas ya, have lunch ya, bebas ya.
Oke.
Yes. Ya ya. Mau nyanyi? Nyanyi apa?
Tapi katanya ayam ambil gambar dengan spanduk.
Oke.
Oh, lawan ya Pak?
Oke.
Ambil gambar
Ya, ya.
dengan spanduk.
Oke lah. Pakai spanduk juga ya. Sing song ayo. Coba onin. Ada di YouTube. IIUM. Panggilnya gimana? Take picture ya. Coba di YouTube IIUM apa? Itunya. Coba situ. IIUM song. Dewi Sing. Oke. Kita head. Take gambar boleh juga. Ya di sini aja. We sit down here dan take gambar. Ayo siapa yang ambil foto? Prof Ankur. Kafe sini kafe.
Naik atas pentas. Di mana dia fotonya? Naik atas pentas. Bukannya naik atas pentas.
Exitin dulu aja. OBS. Nice. Masuk. Situ.
Ya, tengah. Gambar sedikit.
Nggak bisa dibentar. Nggak bisa ayo. Tuh. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oke, gaya.
Makanya udah mau ya sekarang.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Sudah 3. Video. UIA cinta UR ah. 1, 2, 3. Cinta UIA. Oke. So UIA cinta UR, UR cinta UIA. Oke, one, two, three. UIA